per directions of SP Traffic Goa, Traffic Cell MAPSA have done a special drive for modified silencers. First day of the drive आम्ही 2 गाडयो बुक केल्ल्यो. आयज तुमकां दिसता आमी 6 bikes till 1:30 in the afternoon we have booked. So this drive will be continuous and as per instructions of the drive will go on.
So bike आता किऱ्या खातीर धरता ह्यो वायलेशन कितें?
Violation for using modified silencers which are not manufactured by the company, and they are causing noise pollution, and there are a lot of complaints which have been received by senior citizens, nursing people, pregnant women example. That's why we have been directed to take this action.
So तूं युथाक कितें सांगपाक सोदता जे अशें बायकी घेवन?
युथाक सांगूंक सोदता की जे गाडी तुमी घेतल्या, जे सायलेन्सर गाडये वांगडा येता तेच सायलेन्सर तुमी यूज करपाचे, बिकॉज दॅट इज इट इज बिल्ड फॉर दॅट बायक. देर इज नो नॉइज pollution will be formed, and there will be better performance also of the engine. So I request the public not to put aftermarket silencers in use.